Competing paradigm is basically because which will become simply since we have sixth paradigm as governance. So already we have completed almost 30 years. So 30 years means a new paradigm. If you see the gap between different paradigms, it will not be more than 30 years. So if you take paradigm 1 and 2 gap, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 6, they will not have more than 30 years gap. It's just a matter of time since it has not been reviewed, and I don't know whether Nicholas Henry is alive or not. Because he added sixth paradigm, right? Perhaps let's say that academicians are not trying to review it. If they will review, so certainly let's say that we will have a new paradigm, or let's say 30 years, it can be next, in coming 5-10 years, there can be emergence of a paradigm. This. So that way we can consider that this is how emerging paradigm, and that is how it becomes very obvious that a question can be asked about post, let's say that paradigm means post paradigm 6, the status of public administration. So in this, so when a new paradigm can emerge, therefore they are competing against each other, that is called competing paradigm. Whether it will be considered as a public governance paradigm or NPS paradigm, governance, network governance paradigm, or new public value paradigm. Different thinkers have different, we will go by new public governance, so we generally have been teaching as a new public governance model because it is comprehensive among all, it takes also elements of all those models. So we can consider new public governance as emerging paradigm. But if you go as per Mohit Bhattacharya, so he considers network governance as third important development after, let's say, old public administration and means Max Weber bureaucracy and new public management. So that shows lack of consensus. And if you read, let's say that this, those who talk about new public value paradigm, so they say that it will be emerging paradigm. So because of that, there is competing in nature. Competing means this, they are competing against each other. But we expect that emerging paradigm would be related to new public governance. And that is how we can talk on this competing paradigm.
Welcome to LUKMAAN IAS. Study General Studies with LUKMAAN IAS for building comprehensive knowledge. GS paper 2 and 4 will be taken by S. Ansari and other papers will be covered by renowned faculties. Live classes are as effective as offline classes. The classes are highly interactive in nature. Your doubts and queries will be addressed and there will be dictation of notes. In the last 10 years, LUKMAAN IAS has set up a niche in the field of UPSC guidance.